Hi, I'm Nisha Siripurapu and once again I welcome you all to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen. Today's my recipe is Fenugreek curry. If you're suffering from diabetes, then believe me, this tiny little brown seed will do wonders on your sugar reading. Now coming to Fenugreek, the only problem is that they are too bitter in taste and we all dread consuming it. But again, if this is a problem, then there got to be some solution, and the solution is this recipe. So without wasting much time, let's go into the kitchen to check out this very tasty recipe. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, and please do check me out on my Facebook page also by the same name. I'll see you very soon with a new recipe. Till then, please take very good care of yourself. Thank you so very much.